Tight it up. Hit the ground. Yeah. Listen. This is for the people. Yeah. Yeah.
Boom, hit a bass when the truth hits hard. Life ain't easy when you're playing these cards. Bills stack high while the pockets stay low. Everybody asking where the future go. Talk is cheap, but the rent ain't free. People wanting action, that's the reality. Stand up strong, never bow to fear. The voice of the people getting louder each year. Na Domo ni tagi na no da Vanua. Era yala taka na vez okay na bula rarama. Matani tu era yala koso ni yali na dina katuru na koto. Domo ni Vanua me rogota umada me baleta na bula ni tamata. Me vei sotaki na ivala me bula ovitika me vinaka ina siga ni mataka. Whoa, turn it up, let the whole block hear. Truth over lies, make the message clear. Heavy bass, let the speakers shake. Real change comes with the moves we make. Hands in the sky, let the people unite. Keep moving forward, keep holding the light. No crown lasts when trust runs dry. History watches every reason why. Respect the people, respect the land. The future's built by every hand. Pressurize it like the kick and snare. Still standing tall because the people care. This ain't hate, it's a call for change. Working together can't rearrange. Yeah, 6, 7, 9 knocking, drums hit hard. One voice becomes 1,000 hearts. Stand together, never back down. Let the people's voice shake the ground. Na Domo ni tagi na no da Vanua. Era yala taka na vez okay na bula rarama. Mata ni tu era yala koso ni yali na dina katuru na koto. Domo ni Vanua me rogota umada me baleta na bula ni tamata. Mi viso taki na ivala me